Surprise!
Welcome to our channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video of Dinosaur World Christmas in Plant City, Florida. Dinosaur World, where dinosaurs, twinkle lights, and holiday magic all come together for families. Giant dinosaurs dressed for the holidays, Santa Claus, and tons of spots for those must-have family photo ops. If you love discovering new family-friendly events around Florida, make sure to hit like so more people can find this video and this awesome Christmas dino adventure. The Christmas market area, where they were still setting up festive booths for the evening, including a kids' ornament making station and a couple of little local shops. Inside, you'll find fun holiday goodies and some seriously cute Christmas gnomes that are perfect for dino loving families. Of course, no holiday event is complete without food. We checked out the Swedish style hot chocolate booth, serving warm, rich cocoa that's perfect once the sun goes down. Nearby, there are classic favorites like burgers and hot dogs, plus the local Keel Farms winery pouring fruity wines and holiday ciders for many. Then it was time for the star of the season, Santa. The kids are bigger now, but we still line up for pictures every year, and I even jumped in for my chance too. At this point, it's more of a tradition than anything else, but it just doesn't feel like Christmas without at least one Santa photo together. After Santa, we wandered over to the splash pad and the two playgrounds, all open during the event, even though it was a little too chilly for water play tonight. The playgrounds have cool climbing structures and swings that work great for all ages. The 11-year-old went wild on the swings and climbing structures, and there's a comfy loungers and seating spots for parents and teens, so you can kick back and chat and enjoy a hot chocolate or some wine while the kids burn off some energy. From there, we headed into Aunt Sarah's fossil dig, beautifully decked out with festive holiday decorations, and right out front was this cool talking tree.
Surprise! And you all can pretend to be surprised. And it'll be just like a real surprise party for all of you. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So, what was that word again? Oh yeah, it's surprise! Right was a voice of fun. Surprise!
Next, we headed into the Jurassic Trails, where Dinosaur World keeps its life-size dinos year-round, now wrapped in glowing Christmas lights and decorations. As we walked, we passed the Dino Express train, getting ready to shine even brighter once all the lights come on for the evening. Then we headed into the Mammoth Giants of the Ice Age exhibit, an outdoor area that's sectioned off from the rest of the park, with walls to feel like it's in its own world. We're walking between towering mammoths and other Ice Age creatures, with holiday lights and decorations tucked in around them. It's a fun change of scenery from the Jurassic Trails and a great place to pause, look around, and spot all the little festive details before you see them again after dark. After that, we popped into the Touch and Tell Lab, which has been dressed up and transformed into the Elves' Workshop by night. Before the sun fully set, we took some extra time to explore more of the Jurassic Trail decorations. Everywhere you look, the dinosaurs and trees are dressed up with twinkling lights and festive touches, making it feel like a holiday-themed dinosaur stroll. Once darkness settled in, we headed back into the Jurassic Trails to experience the whole area transformed by colorful nighttime lighting. The glow from the decorations, dinosaurs, and lights work together to create a magical, almost otherworldly atmosphere. The park truly comes alive, blending Christmas spirit with a prehistoric twist. As it got darker, we looped back into the Mammoth Giants exhibit for the full nighttime experience, packed with all sorts of decorations, including elves, Christmas trees, twinkling lights, and more, scattered throughout the space. The absolute standout is the incredible raining lights display overhead. Thousands of colorful strands cascading down like glowing icicles, creating a dazzling canopy that bathes everything in magical holiday glow. It ties all the festive touches together around the mammoths, turning the whole outdoor area into a prehistoric winter wonderland. Back outside, we made our way into the elves' workshop, now fully taken over for the evening. Liliana and Dario dove into assembling some dino toys, having a great time with the process. They even got to officially name their creations on Santa's approved form. This added to the fun and was a quirky twist to the experience. We kept exploring deeper into the Jurassic trails, finding even more spots where there were beautiful decorations, lights, and holiday decor. There were several fun photo ops along the way, so we stopped a few times to grab some pictures with glowing dinosaurs in the background. The Dino Express rolled up and was so lit up it added extra movement and sparkle to the scene. And from certain angles, you could even see the raining lights from the mammoth area glowing in the distance, making the entire trail feel like a dino sized Christmas wonderland. Then we started making our way back toward the main lawn, passing Uncle Rex's gem mine, which looked extra inviting with all the lights and signs glowing in the night. Jurassic Golf also dressed up for the season with festive touches tucked in and around the course, so it feels like a mini holiday adventure all of its own. We got one more look at Aunt Sarah's fossil dig lit up for the evening before heading up the path with the glow from all the amazing decorations following us back to the big open lawn. We stopped into the ornament studio so Liliana could choose her ingredients for a custom ornament to finish at home. She picked out her favorites, ready to add some glitter at home, and she had a keepsake from our Dinosaur World Christmas visit. From there, we wandered back across the big grassy area, now fully glowing, a light spectacle with decorations everywhere you turn. With Christmas lights and dinosaur decorations surrounding us, we did enjoy a few more than the rest. Standouts include a decorated Jeep sparkling with lights, a giant Brachiosaurus that brilliantly lit up, towering much bigger than the T Rex nearby, plus the massive glowing T Rex and tons of other creative displays, blending dinosaurs with Christmas magic. We stopped multiple times for family photo ops, and the best spot wrapping up with a final shot in front of the event sign and a close up of that epic glowing T Rex. It's the kind of nighttime scene that makes you want to linger and capture every angle. To wrap up the night, we headed into the main gift shop to see some of the fun Christmas decor inside, including a motion activated dinosaur tree that roars to life when you walk by. Outside, even the parking lot had decorations and lights. As we say goodbye to Dinosaur World Christmas, if this prehistoric Christmas adventure looks like something your family would love, tap the like button and share this video with a dino fan in your life. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun Florida trips and theme park nights. And tell us in the comments, which part of Dinosaur Christmas would you want to experience first? If you like this video, check out these next. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun adventures. Drop a comment below and tell us what you'd love to see us post in the future.